Welcome everyone. So today we are going to solve a very nice indices problem, which is x raised to x raised to 3 is equals to 36. Now in this case, since we don't understand anything more, let's try and write this as nothing but what x raised to x the whole raised to 3, and here 36 we can write this as what 6 square. Okay, now please understand, whenever you have your LHS or your RHS, one side of your equal to looks like what variable raised to variable, you try to make your RHS also look like what constant raised to constant. Now this is very much possible. How? Here if I take the whole raised to 3 on both sides, okay, so what happens in this case is what 6 raised to 6 square, sorry, raised to cube. Okay, so you can apply this rule of log indices, which is what a raised to m the whole raised to n can also be written as what a raised to m into n. Okay, so now this can be written as what 6 raised to 6. So now if you see, I've already found this thing. The constant is already of the same base and same index, but your LHS is not of that form. Now please understand, see, multiplication is always commutative. So I can also write this as nothing but a raised to n the whole raised to m. That will also get you what a raised to n into m, which is eventually equal to a raised to m into n. Now why am I doing that? Here what I can do is I can shift the places of x and 3, interchange. Rather, I can interchange the places of x and 3. So this will be what x raised to 3, the whole raised to x raised to 3. Now if you see your index, your variable is also of the form what index and base being equal to each other. So now from here you can deduce, therefore I can say x cube equals to 6. So, sorry, my bad. This is not your final answer. Your final answer is what? X will be what? Cube root of 6. Okay. Now, let's put it over here. Okay. And then figure out whether you're getting the value as 36 or not. Okay. So, we have what? See, instead of cube root, I can also write value of x as nothing but 6 raised to 1 upon 3. Okay, so here instead of x we'll put what 6 raised to 1 upon 3. Then you have that is also 6 raised to 1 upon 3. The whole is raised to 3. Okay, so now you said you know this, that the log of indices is what? Here the index gets multiplied. So we'll talk about the first one, which is what 6 raised to 1 upon 3. The base remains the same. Here you have what 6 raised to 1 upon 3 into 3. So now if you see, things are cancelling here, 3 and 3 is cancelling. So now you're left with what? 6 raised to 1 upon 3, the whole raised to 6. Again we will say use this same log, so indices will get multiplied. So here you will have 6 raised to 1 upon 3 into 6. Now if you see, things are cancelling, you are just left with what? 6 square, and that is nothing but what? 36, which is RHS in your question. So you saw how easily you can do this. Just remember, whenever you have variable raised to variable situation, you try to use this. You try to adjust your LHS and RHS in such a way that the index and the bases remain the same. Okay, so that's it for today. I will see you in the next video.